Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable cookies in Google Chrome. If you're having trouble with certain websites not working or requesting you to enable cookies, follow these steps. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the three-dot menu, then select Settings. In the Settings window, scroll down and select Privacy and Security. Next, click on Third-Party Cookies. If you're not sure what third-party cookies are, check out the video linked in the description. Here, you'll see three main options. Allow third-party cookies. This option allows all cookies, including third-party cookies. It helps maintain logins and personalized content, but may reduce your privacy. Block third-party cookies in incognito mode. This option blocks third-party cookies only when you're browsing in incognito mode, protecting your privacy during private sessions. Block third-party cookies. This option completely blocks third-party cookies in all modes, maximizing privacy. But some website features may not work. Below these options, you'll see an advanced section with the setting Send a Do Not Track request. If you enable this, Chrome will send a Do Not Track request to websites. However, whether websites honor this request depends on their policies. To delete cookies and other data generated by websites you visited, click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Here, you can choose to delete all data or just the data for a specific website. You can also add specific websites to the list of allowed third-party cookies. To do this, click Add in the Sites Allowed to Use Third-Party Cookies section, enter the website's URL, and click Add to save it. That's it! Now you know how to enable cookies in Google Chrome. I hope this guide helps you resolve website access issues. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.